Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change Likee video quality. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to your Likee apps. And now just tap on the slash or lines button at the top left in the corner. And now in the bottom you will see settings option. You just have to tap on it. And in the settings page, you will see quality here under general section. Now open quality. Finally, select the quality of the video you are watching. You want HD, smooth, or auto. Here I'm gonna select HD. And now just go back by tap the undo arrow at the top left. So yeah, this is a little tutorial from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I will see you soon on the next one, and good luck.